Hi, this is a pastel paper from Art Essentials brand, and this is Toys and Door soft pastels from Kohinoor brand, and this is Darwin pastel skin tone pencils. All are skin tones and mainly used for portrait drawing. Okay, and this is my reference. So first, I am drawing the reference in freehand. Everybody should try freehand drawing because in freehand you may not get the exact face, but practicing freehand will make you a good artist. Don't rely on grid method because everywhere you cannot get the grid, so you have to practice freehand. And I personally daily practice freehand drawing for more about 10 years now, and I'm improving day by day. So if you want to be a good artist, then you have to try practice daily freehand drawing. Okay, first you cannot get the result, but after practicing day and day, your result will definitely improve. Okay, so if you want to be a good artist, then practice freehand. So I'm drawing the portrait, the outline. The result may not look exactly the same, but I'm trying my best. Okay, and if I can do up to 80%, then I'll be very happy. Now the coloring part, I'm using Kohinoor brand soft pastel brown tone. There are 3-4 brown tone there. Very good quality soft pastel, and the paper is also very good, and it can hold 3-4 layers of pastels. Soft pastels, like chalk, and you can blend it with your finger very easily. Look at this, I'm blending with my finger, and it's blending like smooth blending. I'm using now yellow ochre and brown shades. Watch till the end, get the result. If you want to learn, then you have to watch very carefully and do your work very carefully. Paper is also a big matter in soft pastels. You have to buy a good quality paper that can hold 2 or 3 layers. Pastel mat is very good paper for pastels, but it is very costly. This brand is Art Essentials, and you can buy this paper from Art Launch website. This is a pastel paper, nearly 400 GSM, very thick paper, and it can hold 3 or 4 layers of pastels. So if you are doing pastel drawing, try to invest more in good quality paper. Okay, Canson MI Test is also a very good paper for pastels. I have also the Canson paper, but this paper is very nice, and it's made for the pastels. I'm using the pencils. This is Darwin pastel skin tone pencils for detailing, and this is charcoal pencil, Camel brand, Camlin. For minute detail, I am working with these pencils. Look at the portrait. Portrait is very much light and shade contrasty. and it is very good for drawing. So I have chosen this portrait as my reference. Watch till the end, and if you like, then please subscribe my channel and watch my videos. If you want any type of help, please comment on my video. I will help you with any type of materials or drawing tools or freehand drawing experience. You have to practice more, because without practicing you cannot get your desired result. And if you want to be an artist, good artist, then you have to practice daily to improve your work. The total portrait drawing has taken about 2 hours, and I am uploading this video about 10 minutes only. So it will be a 2x video, 2x speed video. If you want the long length video, then please comment. I'll of course post the whole process. Okay. Work slowly, and the portrait will get its shape. Now I'm working on the highlight part with white pastels. This brand Kohinoor soft pastels is very good brand. Camel is also good. I am also work with Camel, is also good, but I don't like Brustro soft pastel is not recommended. Very messy type. But Camel is good, and this is expensive brand, so you can start with Camel. Gallery also very good. I have also the Gallery pastels, but this is also expensive. So for starting, you can do with Camel soft pastels, not very costly and very good working. Slowly the portrait getting its shape. Watch till the end to see the final result. And if you like the result, then give a like and recommend to other your friends. Yeah, the paper is so good that you can layer 3-4 layer on the paper, no issue. And if I want, I can put also another layer, because the paper is very thick and it can hold too much pastels. Please comment how the result is, because in freehand drawing you cannot expect the result to be 100% perfect. You have to catch the character of the portrait. Just catch the character of the portrait, nothing else. If you are doing a commission work, then you can do it with grid method, but when you are practicing, please don't try the grid method. Try to do in freehand, and you can get success one day. First you cannot get the result, but after practicing more day by day, you can surely get your result. Okay, so be a good artist, and thank you. Watch the video till the end and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye bye.